Are you looking to revamp your diet and improve your health? If so, you're in luck. We've compiled a list of the top 5 healthy foods you need to try now. These foods not only provide essential nutrients and vitamins, but also offer a range of health benefits, from boosting immunity to improving brain function. So whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just starting on your wellness journey, these delicious and nutritious foods will help you look and feel your best. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more content. Here are some health benefits of eating lettuce. Lettuce provides essential vitamins. Lettuce is a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, which promote healthy vision, skin, and bone health, respectively. Lettuce boosts immunity. The high antioxidant content of lettuce helps to protect the body from harmful free radicals, which in turn can boost the immune system. Lettuce supports digestion. The fiber in lettuce promotes healthy digestion and can ease constipation. Tuna is a type of fish that is popular in many cuisines around the world. It is highly nutritious and offers several health benefits. Almonds are a type of tree nut that are highly nutritious and packed with health-promoting properties. Here are some of the key health benefits of consuming almonds. Almonds are high in nutrients. Almonds are rich in nutrients such as protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. Brown rice is a whole grain that is unrefined and contains the bran, germ, and endosperm. This makes it a healthier alternative to white rice, which is stripped of these components during processing. Here are some healthy facts about brown rice. Brown rice is a good source of fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals such as magnesium, manganese, and selenium. It is particularly rich in the B vitamins thiamine, niacin, and vitamin B6. Brown rice has a low glycemic index, which means it is digested slowly and does not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This makes it a good choice for people with diabetes or those looking to control their blood sugar levels. Brown rice is high in fiber, which helps promote regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and reduces the risk of digestive disorders such as diverticulitis. Brown rice is rich in antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Blueberries are a type of small, blue, and tasty fruit that are packed with numerous health-promoting properties. Here are some of the key health facts about blueberries. Blueberries are a rich source of essential nutrients such as vitamins C and K, fiber, and manganese. They also contain antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their blue color. Blueberries have been linked to improving cognitive function and memory, particularly in older adults. They may also help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation in the body and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer.